Our 20-foot Nest Dome offers a spacious floor area of 300 square feet with a ceiling height of 12 feet, creating the perfect balance of strength and style. Crafted from heavy-duty, powder-coated GI pipes, the structure weighs around 400 kilograms, built to last and designed to impress. Each dome can be installed within 6 to 12 hours, depending on the number of people involved. And yes, it can be easily relocated whenever needed. Engineered with reinforced heavy tube sizes, our domes are made to withstand wind and snow, ensuring year-round safety and comfort. Every Nest Dome package includes a frame, bay window, and outer cover, the essentials to get you started. Enhance your experience with premium add-ons like starlight, solar exhaust, heating solutions, flooring, rail curtains, inner insulation, and fabric covers. For more details, reach out to Nest Domes, where innovation meets design.